Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by committing to action now. Pick one clear niche and record multiple shorts in a single session so momentum builds. Explain why. Platforms favor frequent uploads, so batch 3-5 videos to maintain consistency. Make your first 3 videos optimized. Strong visual hook in the first 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, quick value, and a call to action. Once done, upload with concise titles and one strong keyword. This immediate volume seeds the algorithm and trains you to iterate fast. Once you have uploads, focus on measurable tweaks. You test variables systematically to learn what works. Use 9:16 ratio and tight edits under 25 seconds because shorter, rewatchable clips drive loop rates. Make small controlled changes, thumbnail crop, caption wording, and alternate first 3 seconds to improve click-through. Monitor retention, CTR, and rewatch rate daily, and double down on formats that improve those metrics. You iterate rapidly, 2 changes per week, so growth compounds. Scale by increasing output of formats that win. If a short performs, create sequels and reuse the sound. This multiplies exposure. Engage comments in the first hour to boost early engagement and pin the best replies to direct conversation. If growth stalls, troubleshoot. Refresh the hook, shorten the clip, or retarget keywords and caption phrasing. Make sure to compare 2 versions side by side. This /B approach isolates what changed so you can recover momentum quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.